Alright, here we go, setting up for the heavy swings. We've got a 90-pound bell here. So I'm setting up, hard stomp, getting my feet stinging, then I'm creasing my hip, pushing my hips back, deadlifting, breaking the handle at the top. So see, I'm pushing the floor away with my feet, breaking the handle at the top, getting my lats, shoulders, and core engaged with these deadlifts. I always do deadlifts before I do any heavy swings, that way I'm ready to manage the weight. Good stomp again, static stomp, get my feet screwed into the ground by attaching my hips to the ground through my feet. Then I'm going to hike the bell back, push forward, press the breath out as I'm pushing forward, making the sound of a balloon as it's getting rid of air. Psst, 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 psst. See, I'm keeping my upper arms tight, throwing the bell forward with my hips. So we're going to come from the side angle again, static stomp, getting my feet swinging, screwing my feet into the ground. I'm going to crease my hips, send them back, back is flat, hiking the bell, firing up and through. See how I keep my upper arms connected to my lats. I am not losing my lats as I'm swinging this heavy bell. So I'm leaning back in resistance of the bell pulling me forward. I am pressing through the ground, keeping my feet connected through the ground, through my core, through my hips. That's the heavy swing. Now we go to the light swing. Same thing. Treat every weight with respect. Stomp, crease the hips, send the hips back, feet are screwed into the ground. Opposite hand's going to be swinging forward, touching the bell. That way I'm making sure that I'm not losing my upper body in a twist of the 35-pound bell pulling me forward. I'm going to make transition after 10 reps onto the other hand. Same thing, I'm going to receive the bell, pushing it forward. Now you can see how I'm keeping the bell flat and I'm keeping the handle flat as I'm swinging it forward. I'm about to show you a different variation, a handle twist that learned from Steve Carter, who's a kettlebell specialist. So now we're going to go into a twist. See how I am now letting the bell come up. I'm twisting the handle as it goes back and then twisting the handle as it comes forward. This is a good shoulder opener. I'm only doing 5 here. Rotational movements just to keep the shoulders as I'm making sure I'm compacting through. Placing the bell down, standing up, making sure I fire the glutes, blow the bicep up, and we're done.